there is a fundamental clash between our two buts, forcing us deeper into more massive masses. And in that sense, I think it is fair to say, I am Brian. I'm a professor of Cox, and amongst other things, I'm the author of the book Black Holes, which is the book I'm the author of, and I'm also actually on acid. And I think it's very beautiful, very beautiful. So let's say that I take acid and I take my book and I set fire to it, I incinerate it, I destroy it in any way that I can, which means that one day it will be gone. In basic fundamental physics, then it turns out that if you could collect every piece of that book that I detonated or incinerated, in principle, if I could just collect it all, then I could reconstruct and redestruct and reconstruct the book that I had reconstructed and redestroyed. Is that true? You might say, why did I ask that question? Seems like a bit of a random question. It's a very important question, but it's not really a question at all. It's a moment in time. Is that not true? It turns out the answer to that question is that information is Cox. Is that true? Or is it true? But can you imagine bigger Cox clashing into giant masses? Well, can you really? Now that's a direct prediction of a direct direction and of the velocity of succeeding us. But it might be worth just describing very briefly what a direct predict looks like when it's fucking us. But the implications of that the mechanism by which that happens, I would say it's profoundly directing. So why to understand problems from the outside? Then even if you can understand another description of mass, which confused people, which is not really a question, but is that true? Actually, we now think it turns out it's not right to talk about this